Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Poco model and MIUI build so you know which options are present. Once done, back up quick settings and gesture preferences. This prevents lost configs. Now open settings and search for navigation bar or full screen display. You want the entry that controls gestures versus buttons. If developer options are required, enable them by tapping build number 7 times. Make sure to use them only for toggles you recognize. This sets the stage for replacing the bar with gestures. You now switch to gestures to hide the navigation bar. Go to Settings, Display, then Navigation Bar and choose Full Screen Gestures. This removes the button row. Pay attention to the demo because it shows how to go home, back, and switch apps. Once selected, tweak gesture sensitivity and show or hide swipe indicators so accidental swipes stop happening. If you use third-party launchers, make sure they support gestures. Otherwise, some gestures might feel inconsistent until you fine-tune settings. Finish by testing home, back, and recent gestures across several apps so you confirm the bar is gone. If the navigation bar reappears, check for app overlays, accessibility services, or launcher options that force button mode. Disabling those usually resolves the issue. If gestures act strangely, reboot, and if needed, reset navigation to gestures and reconfigure sensitivity. One key troubleshooting tip: when apps force buttons, temporarily switch to the default launcher to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.